How's it going, guys? Alex here, and today we're making our little FRS that could be a little bit louder and less slow. As y'all know, they have something called a torque dip, where in the dyno graphs, like it starts out and at 2,500 RPMs, there's like a giant U-turn of dead power, dead space. That if you're like in 6th gear doing like 65 miles an hour, you need to go down to like 4th gear in order to overtake somebody or anything. So what we're trying to do is get rid of one of the cats, not the one in the header, but the one in the front pipe, I believe it's called. So yeah, taking out all the, gutting it out, and so far this is what we have on. There's a lot more to go, but we're making progress. I didn't film the part of me taking this out because that was uncomfortable. I have the car raised up on jack stands as much as I can, and that's still like claustrophobic. As you see, so yeah. What's up, guys? So just finished. That took a lot longer than I was hoping for, but the clearance that I could get with my jack, I couldn't raise up the jack stands higher. Definitely need to get a lift. That'd be sick. So we emptied out, like I was saying, the front pipe. So it's the piece that connects to the headers. Since we're eventually going to go turbo, we have to get a new header anyway, so I didn't want to do it to that. And this is what we got out of it, like a bunch of this with some like insulation looking, like home insulation looking thing around it. You can see like it's very restrictive. Just punched it out with like a ratchet extension and just a hammer hitting it away, and then some needle nose to take out that like insulation piece. So we're about to find out what it sounds like. Definitely did this just for be on the budget side. Also did my research on, Texas does allow this and it's not a problem. There's still cats in the header. And then there's still a muffler and there's still a resonator, so it shouldn't be too loud as well. So definitely check your emissions before doing this. Alright, let's find out what it sounds like. That's the same, right? Same?